everyone, this is Teacher Jazz and welcome to another A-Tips video. So today's topic is very interesting because I'm going to teach you some Chinese expressions you can use in your classes. As online English teachers, it is our job to build an English-speaking environment. However, we may encounter some students who are beginners or they're maybe too young to understand what we are saying in English. Thus, it may really help a lot if you are able to speak Chinese. A lot of people say that Chinese is the most difficult language to learn in the whole world. Well, that's kind of true, but don't worry because there is a tool that helps us learn Chinese easier. That is Pinyin. Pinyin is the romanization of Chinese characters based on their pronunciations. So it was introduced by many linguists, including Zhou, in the 1950s, and then the Chinese government published it in 1958. In Mandarin Chinese, Pinyin literally translates into spell sounds. In other words, it spells out Chinese phrases using the Latin alphabets. For example, long, which means dragon. As you can tell, the sound long is just similar to the English word long. This similarity makes learning Chinese easier for us. There are 4 tones in Chinese and each syllable has its own tone. Also, each tone mark is placed above the vowel. The first tone is a level and high pitch. For example, ma. Next, we have the second tone. The second tone will start from a lower pitch before ending at a higher pitch, ma. The third tone starts at the neutral tone, then go dip to a lower pitch before ending at a higher pitch, just like this, ma. So as you can see, it's just like a check mark, ma. Lastly, we have the fourth tone. So the tone starts out high, then go downwards quickly and strongly, ma. Alright, please be careful in pronouncing the word and its tone because wrong tones could change the meaning of your sentence. Just like this one, ma means mother, while ma means horse. Another tip for top tutors out there, if you cannot see the parents on the screen at the end of your trial class, then you can ask your students to call for their mom so you can say, where is your mom? Where is your mama? Alright, so that you can give the mom or even both parents the feedback and at the same time tell them that Acadsoc is a great place for learning English. We'll start with greetings. The first one we have, hello, 你好. Good morning, 早上好. Good afternoon, 下午好. Good evening, 晚上好. Goodbye, 再见. Before you start teaching the lesson, you can introduce yourself and you can also ask some icebreaker questions, just like these. My name is Teacher Jazz. 我是 Jazz 老师. What's your name? 你叫什么名字? How old are you? 你多大了? Or you can also say 你几岁? Nice to meet you. 很高兴认识你. Can you hear me clearly? 你能听清吗? Can you see me well? 你能看到吗? I can't hear you clearly. 我听不清. Say it again. 再来一遍. How do you say it in English? 英语怎么说? Next, you can use these expressions when you are answering some exercises. For example, yes or no. 是不是? Is this correct? 对不对? Can you understand? 你明白吗? Please repeat after me. 跟我读. Draw a line. 画条线. Draw a circle. 画圈圈. Did you get it? You are very good. 真棒. Or you can also say very good. 很好. Learning Chinese slangs will make you feel more connected with your students. So I'm gonna teach you 2 slangs that are famous right now in China. The first one is 加油. 加油 expresses encouragement and support, so it is usually used as a cheer. Then, if you want your students to do their best in their studies, you can say 加油 plus their name. So for example, you can say 加油 Jack, 加油 Mary, 加油 Summer. However, did you know that the literal translation of it is adding fuel? In ancient time, the city mayor of Wuhan wanted to help the students. So he ordered the night watchman to add fuel to the burning lamps of the students so that they would be encouraged to study hard. Isn't it fantastic? I know that we are in a tough situation right now, and I just would like to tell everybody, especially to my co-Acadsoc teachers, 加油, 加油 Acadsoc teachers. Don't lose hope, okay? Because we can get through this together. Another one is from the latest internet sensation in China, which is Ali Gay. So this expression became famous after a Chinese winter swimming athlete posts some videos online. So before ending each video, he usually says,
加油, Ali Gay!
Also, it is a good idea to learn some popular Chinese songs like the trending ones. Just like this one, 我们一起学猫跳，一起喵喵喵喵喵。Also with 跟我一起画个龙。Yeah, so it is really helpful to learn some Chinese pop culture and discuss it in your classes. You can learn more about Chinese as a language from the links below. Take note, kindly avoid overusing Chinese during your classes. Only use it when necessary. Also, I will be talking more about Chinese culture maybe next time, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel for you to be updated of it. This is Teacher Jazz and happy teaching!